Good morning everyone. We are Team MOVIQ and today we are excited to present our project, TransitOps Smart Transport Operations Platform. Transportation and fleet operations are often managed using multiple spreadsheets and disconnected systems, making it difficult to track vehicles, drivers, trips, maintenance, and operational costs efficiently. To solve this problem, we developed TransitOps, a centralized fleet management platform that helps organizations streamline their transport operations through a single, easy-to-use dashboard. Authentication. The application starts with a secure authentication system. Users log in using their email and password, and role-based access control (RBAC) ensures that each user can access only the modules relevant to their role. This provides both security and better access management. Dashboard. After logging in, users are welcomed with an interactive dashboard that provides a complete overview of fleet operations. It displays key performance indicators such as active vehicles, available vehicles, vehicles in maintenance, active trips, pending trips, drivers on duty, fleet utilization. Users can also filter data by vehicle type, status, and region to gain better operational insights. Vehicle registry. The vehicle registry module maintains all vehicle information in one place. For each vehicle, we store registration number, vehicle name and model, vehicle type, maximum load capacity, odometer reading, acquisition cost, current status. The module supports searching, filtering, sorting, and complete CRUD operations, allowing users to add, view, edit, and delete vehicles. Status badges make it easy to identify whether a vehicle is available, on trip, in shop, or retired. Driver management. The driver management module keeps track of driver information. It stores driver name, license number, license category, license expiry date, contact number, safety score, driver status. Administrators can easily add, update, view, or remove driver records while ensuring license numbers remain unique. This helps maintain an organized and reliable driver database. Trip management. The trip management module allows users to create and monitor transportation trips. Each trip includes source, destination, assigned vehicle, assigned driver, cargo weight, planned distance. Trips move through different stages such as draft, dispatched, completed, and cancelled, providing complete visibility throughout the transportation process. Maintenance. The maintenance module records all vehicle maintenance activities. Whenever a vehicle is sent for maintenance, its status automatically changes to in shop, preventing it from being assigned to new trips until maintenance is completed. This improves scheduling accuracy and ensures vehicle safety. Fuel or expense management. This module records fuel consumption, fuel cost, toll charges, maintenance expenses. The platform automatically calculates the total operational cost of each vehicle, helping organizations monitor expenses and make informed financial decisions. Reports or analytics. The reports and analytics module provides valuable operational insights such as fuel efficiency, fleet utilization, operational cost, vehicle return on investment, ROI. Reports can also be exported as CSV files for further analysis and reporting. Technology stack. We built TransitOps using modern web technologies, React, JS Core UI, JavaScript, Mock.js, ON data, currently, Git or GitHub for version control. The application follows a modular architecture, making it easy to integrate real APIs and databases in the future. Future scope. Going forward, we plan to enhance TransitOps by integrating live GPS, vehicle tracking, real-time trip monitoring, AI-based predictive maintenance, fuel consumption prediction, driver performance analytics, smart notifications and alerts. These features will make TransitOps an even more intelligent and scalable fleet management solution. Conclusion. In conclusion, TransitOps by Team MOVIQ provides a centralized platform to efficiently manage vehicles, drivers, trips, maintenance, fuel expenses, and analytics. By replacing manual processes with a smart digital solution, organizations can improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, and make better data-driven